Oh, you pretty bird, you. Come on, Blue. Drop down. He's so wet. I love wet birds. Cardinals were just here all wet. Come on, Blue. There's a whole bunch down there for you. Come on, baby. Go ahead. Because I'm so wet, I still want those peanuts. I just want to focus on bird and the tree. It's absolutely gorgeous. I hear the cardinals coming, they're peeping. Everything's so pretty in the rain, I think. The neighbors are even jumping on their trampoline. I think that's what scared the birds away. Look at it. Look at you, Blue. You're so beautiful. Happy Sunday, Blue. You're a good bird. See ya. Oh, wait. We have somebody up in the tree. Oh. It's the mighty mockingbird. Oh, he's checking up on everything. Yard protector. He's